Why, hello there. How did you? You're a snitch. There's no way that judge would have ever caught us if it wasn't for you. Save it. John, give me the knife. Wait, what?
I don't think I have it.
Here, take mine.
Wait, you got this all wrong. This is a huge misunderstanding, and I promise
Would you just shut up? Who are you? The Daily Bugle just came in with its story, photographed by Peter Benjamin Parker, and oh my goodness, it's just so terribly sorry to interrupt, but here's your coffee. Thank you, General Ross. How about the Black Panther? Vigilante!
Vigilante, but he saves people.
You see, the difference between us and those heroes is because it's our job to save people. They can betray us at any moment.
But he saved me. I mean, he saved that one guy, and if they keep saving us, why would they want to betray us?
What guy are you talking about? What are you hiding?
I'm not hiding anything. I'm just saying.
Michael, listen. We cannot trust them. Jeez, I can't wait for the superhero registration act to come already.
And I can't wait for you ugly tail hillbilly Pete looking boy to get up out of here.
You know what? That's it. You're fired.
Hey, yo, Big Draws, come here. Yeah, you, come on. You coming?
Hello?
Man, that's why your breath stinks.
You scared me.
What do you need? You calm me down to waste my time.
Oh, no. You see, my boss thinks that heroes aren't that great, which he's wrong, because heroes are perfect and awesome. But I need you to go talk some sense into that guy.
When you decide to become a hero, it requires sacrifice. When I was around 6, I saw my family get slaughtered. Nothing left but blood, sweat, and tears. They stole everything: food, shelter, weapons, and our strongest mineral, vibranium. Not a day goes by where I forget their pain and screaming and suffering.
Well, until now, you didn't have any backup.
What?
I say that we go there and take back what is rightfully yours.
You mean it?
Yeah! Let's go show them who the Black Panther really is. What, Kakapa Papa?
Wakanda?
I was kinda close.
No.
Let's go! Alright, we're here.
What now?
So you take out the guys over there, while I take out the guys over here.
What did you find?
Snap. Scared me.
What's all this?
I found detonators and a laptop that contains footage of a prisoner in vibranium and this random suit, all of which is in that building.
But there's no guards, is there?
Not that I'm aware of. Wow, they really came prepared. What the?
on, not now. Did you get the vibranium?
Yes, I did.
Okay, let's get out of here. Well, of course, it's you guys.
You don't remember me? I am the person who was inside the building while you quote-unquote took back what you had, and now you, not giving a care in the world, blew up the place. Well, I came back stronger than ever. And what? And came back for vengeance.
Wow, your vengeance is working out fantastic, isn't it?
Shut up. Huh? You'll pay.
If your family wants to be strong, they wouldn't be so easily defeated. If that's the type of delusions you think of, then you don't need your wasting on oxygen supply. Finally, you're using the brain. About time you figure out that your strength isn't good enough to make a difference.
Shut up!
Oh, no, you're mad. The truth hurts, doesn't it? Show the sign.
Do the worst.
We all become suddenly brave, but we know our end is near.
My goodness, Black Panther, I'm such a huge fan. I can never be your friend.
Hey, can I get a picture?
This is you.